Is this an even number of cubes? An even number of cubes. Hey friends, so as you saw in the video, we can take even numbers, and an even number of cubes can always be shown as two equal groups. So that's just another way of telling if a number is even. If the number is even, you can split it in half and both groups will be equal. Now you saw this problem on the video. I don't know why it had X'd it out saying that was wrong, but that was right. 5 plus 5 is 10. And if you separate your cubes in half, you should be able to match the top to the bottom. And that will show you the first group and the second group. If they both match, you divided them evenly. Okay? So on this page here, what you are doing is you are telling the total number first. Look where that equal sign is. I have a lot of friends that see this and they say, oh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. But notice the equal sign's over here. So you are starting with the total. So count all the cubes together. It's almost like you're going backwards. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So there are 4 cubes here, and the equal groups. There are 2 on top in the first group, and there's 2 in the bottom, second group. Okay? Look at number 2. Same thing. You are starting with the total number of cubes. So there are 10 cubes here. Sorry, 8 cubes here. Miscounted. 8, be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can see that there's 4 in the top group. So I write a 4 here. And 4 in the second group. So 8 gets divided evenly into 4 plus 4. So you go ahead and finish this page. And then when you move on to page 21, that looks like this, you're actually going to be shading the frames to show the two equal groups. So you can see when they did 10, they broke 10 into 5 and 5. Now, if you know what the number 16 breaks apart into, you can shade that number on top and bottom. If you're not sure, make sure when you do your shading that you're shading in pairs. So one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me, like that. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going from top to bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, until I get to 16, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I'll let you take care of counting how many are on top and how many on bottom. Again, notice the equal sign. You're always starting with the total, then telling me the two groups. Start with the total, tell me the two groups. All right? Number 7, Elena and Jose have 18 postcards together. They each have the same number of postcards. So you're thinking, how can I break 18 into 2 equal groups? If you need to draw it out, you can put E for Elena and J for Jose, and then maybe just use tallies. 1 for Elena, 1 for J, that's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, and keep going back and forth until you have given out 18 postcards. How many did each kid get? Right? So keep working. You finished this page. Now you're breaking the number apart into 3 parts, making sure 2 of them are even, okay? And then just adding that 1 more. So blank plus 1 will get you 5. Blank plus 1 gets you 11. So think about that. On the back, you're going to finish up. Let me fold my book, with a story problem. Jacob and Lucas, again, they're dividing the shells evenly. And then the blue box here, you need to work on that at the end. If you are meeting with me, we will work on homework together. If you are not meeting with me in small group today, complete your homework as well.